Good morning, children. Welcome to all to another session of our science class. Children, in the previous class, we have learnt about junk food and good eating habits. Okay? In this session, we are going to learn about cooking food and food preservation. Okay? Children, some foods such as fruits and vegetables like carrot, cucumber, lettuce can be eaten raw, but they must be washed properly before eating to remove dust and germs. Is it? Children, washing them after they cut removes many nutrients. So before only we should wash. Other foods such as rice and vegetables are cooked before they are eating. Food can be cooked by boiling, frying, roasting, baking or steaming also. Okay. We cook food because it makes the food more tasty. But food should not be overcooked. This destroy the nutrients in it. Okay. Cooking makes the food soft and easy to digest. But food should be cooked in just enough water. Cooking food in too much water and then throwing away the water takes away the nutrients with the water. Okay. Cooking food by heating it kills germs. Okay, children. Now